your champ barbecuers. Today we're doing up some St. Louis pork ribs on the Weber kettle, and we're going to use up some of this Pit Boss Tennessee apple butter for our rub. Going to add a little cracked black peppercorn to it, and we're going to finish it off later on with some Bob's Southern barbecue sauce. That stuff is really good. And let's get this Weber up to temp. We got some hickory hunks on there with some Kingsford charcoal, basic. And we did add water to the trough, hot water that is. Let's get this rubbed up and get them on the Weber. Alright, we've been going about 3 hours on the Weber. I'm going pretty hot, 275, 300 degrees. And I'm going to wrap them for an hour, I think. Let's take a look. Ooh, yeah. I don't think I'm even going to wrap them. I'm going to leave them as is. I've been spritzing every half hour with some apple cider vinegar, but I'm gonna mop that barbecue sauce on in probably another hour. Those things are looking amazing, so I think we're only gonna go about four and a half hours, maybe 5 tops on these. I lowered that temp down. We're right around 250, 260, and I'm gonna ride it out the rest of the way right around there. Get some real good pullback on them ribs. Once you see those bones sticking out, it's ready to rock. So we're 3.5 hours in on these ribs. Let's open this up. I'm going to add a little more of that Tennessee apple butter and then spritz it. And then I'm just going to ride it out. That lid back on. Yeah. Only thing left to do is sit back in a cold one. Alright folks, middle of August. Sounds like it wants to rain. It is sprinkling here and there, off and on all day. These pork ribs though, whoo, the smell is amazing. I had to run to the store to grab something for sweet corn fritters, and I was out of eggs, man. So anyway, pulling back, I was a half a block down the road. I could smell the pork ribs. That's awesome. So the rest of the town, they must be smelling this stuff. I'm surprised I ain't got people knocking at the door. What's up? Let's check on these pork ribs. Oh yeah. I'm going to start spritzing them every 15 minutes, and then we're going to be slopping on that Bob's Southern barbecue sauce. That's going to go on for the last half hour. So we're about 4.5 hours in on that. No, 4 hours. And we're going to go 5 at least. Just got to watch that pullback, guys. And get yourself a nice cold one. Bottoms up, baby. All right. Alright folks, let's check these pork ribs. No wrap. We're going to let that sit for a little bit longer. We're going to pull them, let them rest. When those are ready to rock, we'll cut into them. And we'll see what we got going on. Maybe I'll pull them right now, actually. Just move some stuff. Hopefully, they don't fall apart. Oh. Those look mighty fine. Smell is amazing. Anyway, we'll let them rest. We're going to get on some extra stuff that I'm cooking. As soon as you click record, baby, loudest train in the world comes by. Always. I've never heard a train like that before. As soon as you click record, folks.